Alright guys, WRX part 3 of the support arm install. I am done installing it. I just want to show you the final installation of what it looks like. Here's our front portion, reinforcement bar, and then you got the two arms. All these bolts have to be torqued down to, let's see, 60 Newton meters or 44.25 foot-pounds. And that goes for all of them. And again, you're going to use, at least with this 2020 STI, you're going to use the 10 millimeter spacers on the extreme sides, and you're going to use the washer on the passenger side because of that bracket right here already on the driver's side. So just wanted to show you the installation, and my battery's about ready to die, so I think that's probably why my phone's having so many issues. Alright, well, I sure hope this helps somebody else out there. I'm going to do the flex draw stiffener probably, I don't know, tomorrow's video, and I'll kind of go through the same thing and just install it while I have you guys on the camera here. So, WRX out.